You see what's really good over here? I got this 2013 Honda Pilot 3.5 liter engine. You see what's up. This generation is between 2013 and 2015. So if you have a Honda Pilot like this is how you do the oil change. So come on, show you how to do it. Support the channel, don't forget that. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Yeah. The other way you can support the channel is by hitting the super thanks button. Look like a heart. Do your part, do your thing, you know what I'm saying? And I appreciate the love and the support. Holla at your boy. Let's get this to a blue. I'm gonna calm down over here. This is how you open the hood. Alright, just pull it like that. Pop. Okay. Now right here in the middle is gonna be the latch. Push it that way. Lift the hood. You're gonna need the kickstand. It's gonna be right here. Okay, you can put it here or there. All right. Now, that's the engine oil cap. Turn it counterclockwise to remove it. It's gonna tell you what type of oil it takes. 0W20. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right there. This is the oil dipstick. All right. AC ports, low and high. That's how you refill the AC. Windshield fluid reservoir, steering, power steering fluid reservoir, coolant reservoir, engine oil filter, battery, brake fluid reservoir, throttle, a little fuse box. That's another fuse box. All right, let's get it. The design doesn't change that much. I wouldn't say it doesn't change at all, but here's the oil drain plug and the filter is right there. Okay, you can come through here. All right, let's do this. All right, this oil drain plug is going to be 17 millimeter. Okay. Houston, you have a problem? Oh, okay. I was gonna be like, what? Okay. All right. Get ready. It's about to splash. 4. Okay. Yeah. By the way, if you ever put your comment in the comment box, let me know where you're from. Okay. All right, let's get it. Here it comes. How's that oil? Can you go another 3,000 miles with it? Let me know. All right. I'm gonna let it drain for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Right, so once you drain most the oil, put the oil drain plug back. Okay, tie it, snug it. With the 17 millimeter. Should do it. Right. Let's do the oil filter now. All right, I'm gonna use this right here. Turn it counterclockwise. Should be good. Do it by hand. Get ready. It's gonna come out. Pull. All right. Let it drain for a minute so you don't get a splash. Or if you cannot wait, grab your rag, turn it. Turn it. Okay. Here it comes. Pause. Ooh. This is how it looks like. This is from the dealership, the oil filter. Alright. Now we're gonna come here. We're gonna clean where the oil filter sits. Okay, just like that. Wipe it with Gucci. Put the new oil filter. Now this oil filter, the gasket or oil ring, it comes dry, right? Just lube it. There we go. Put it on. Pretty much. Clean after yourself. Alright, put your funnel there. This is gonna take 4.2 quarts, okay? Okay, like I said, it's gonna take 4.2. I'm just gonna pour 4 first. Four quarts first. Okay, I'm gonna remove the funnel. Put the engine oil cap back. Now I'm gonna start the car. Let it idle for a minute. So the oil go through the whole system, you know what I'm saying? Especially through the oil filter. By the way, this car has 88,000 miles. Alright. Alright, it's been a minute. I'm gonna shut it down. Okay. Now let's check the oil level. Pull it out, wipe it, you know the deal. Let's see. So it's supposed to be here in this line. Let's see. Going in. Going now. There you go. It's right there. That should be good. 4 quarts. You can put a little bit more if you want to. All right. So it's gonna be 4.2 quarts. All right. Now here, I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna start the car. Car is running right now. Doesn't have to be running, but you can also do it while it's running. Okay. So no biggie, no biggie. Everything's Gucci. You see the message over there? I'm gonna use this too. Up or down. It's gonna take you there. Press this guy, press it until it take you there. Okay. Now press this one and hold it. Press and hold it. Now with this one, go up. It's gonna take you there. Then press this one. You press it. There you go. All right. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Now I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. I'm clacking now. As to you know how to support the channel. Do your part. Do your thing. Like, share, comment. In the comment box, if you're gonna put your comment, let me know where you're from. All right. For others to see. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, pretty much it. You want to support the channel? Also, hit the super thanks button. It looks like a heart. Do your part. I would appreciate it a lot. Okay, I'll leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Donald Trump with the Pirates. Out.